Please welcome Alexander Karapanchev.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to first thank Myrto and UMD for having me here tonight. And I'd like to congratulate Mr. Chris Pellier and Ms. Vana Bitov on being honored at this Macedonian Tribute Ball. They are both not only leaders in the Macedonian community, but are also prominent figures in broader Canadian society, and I think they serve as an inspiration for all young Macedonians in our community. I was asked to speak tonight on the UMD John Bitov Macedonian Heritage Scholarship Program. I was honored to be a recipient of the scholarship when I was a political science student at the University of Western Ontario in 2011. Established in 2010, the program provides merit-based scholarships for young and promising students in the Macedonian diaspora pursuing undergraduate or graduate studies in the US, Canada, Europe, or Australia. The scholarship is named after Mr. John Bitov Sr., the prominent Macedonian-Canadian business leader and philanthropist. This scholarship is truly unique, as it is the only scholarship available to young Macedonians throughout the whole diaspora. I think it is truly great because it's a merit-based award, and thus rewards hard work and determination, two values that I think are firmly entrenched in our Macedonian community. As many of our families fled the old country, they took with them those values of hard work and instilled them in their families. And that's why our community, although relatively small, has been recognized by Canadian and American society with such leaders as those being honored tonight. Another reason why this scholarship program is truly unique and important to our community is that it rewards young Macedonians for their academic achievements, thus encouraging them to continue their academic pursuits. I am confident that because of this, the program will produce a new generation of Macedonian leaders who have high academic achievements and are also proud of their Macedonian heritage. And that is truly why scholarships like this are necessary. In rewarding the achievements of young Macedonians, they are an investment in our community's future. Upon finishing my undergraduate degree at Western, I went on to pursue my law degree, and I'm now doing my master's in law at Osgoode Hall Law School. I've always been proud of the fact that I was awarded the UMD Bitov Scholarship. It has served as a reminder for me throughout my academic pursuits to always try my hardest and to be proud of my Macedonian heritage, as I'm sure it's had the same effect on all the other students who have been honored to receive it thus far. UMD is a young organization, but in the time that it's been active, it has managed to produce great results for Macedonia and Macedonian communities throughout the world. I hope that our Macedonian community continues supporting UMD so that programs like the Macedonian Heritage Scholarship can continue in rewarding the achievements of young Macedonians and thus promoting academic excellence in our students along with pride in their Macedonian heritage. Thank you.